Uh, so we are going to see the use of yeast, how it is used at industry level. Most commonly when alcohol is made, it is made along with sugar. In sugar factories, when sugar is made from sugarcane, along with sugar, they also make alcohol. Now, how this is possible? What happens is there is something called as molasses, which is produced from sugarcane juice. Like when after extracting sugarcane juice, that sugarcane juice is used for making sugar. In that process, there is an intermediate product called as molasses, which is also nutritional. It has a nutritional value, and this molasses is very rich in carbohydrate. It has lots of carbohydrate. So this molasses is mixed with an yeast called as Saccharomyces, and this Saccharomyces yeast brings about fermentation of this molasses. And we have seen when yeast ferment carbohydrate, what is formed after the process? Alcohol and carbon dioxide. So when molasses is fermented by Saccharomyces, in this process alcohol is produced and some carbon dioxide is also released. So the alcohol, particularly it is ethanol. This is the molecular formula of ethanol, C2H5OH. It is ethanol, a type of alcohol which can also be used as a fuel. So ethanol is a primary product, means it is produced in more amount, and then some esters and some other alcohols are also produced. Esters are another examples of compounds like alcohols. Next, this ethanol has more use. What are the other uses of ethanol? Spirits and some other alcohols can be obtained from ethanol. If this ethanol which we have got after fermentation, if it is allowed for further process, then spirit and some other alcohol can be used. Spirit is a form of liquid, transparent liquid, which can be used as fuel. It catches fire and it burns with a very clear sharp flame. Ethanol itself can be used as a fuel because it is smokeless. If you use ethanol for burning anything, it will not give out smoke, and it is considered as a very good quality fuel. Apart from molasses, which we have seen for fermentation, apart from molasses, maize, barley and some other grains can also be used at industry level to produce ethanol, because all these grains, maize, barley and other grains which are used in our country, they have high concentration, high amount of carbohydrate in them. Glucose and fructose are the sugars present in grape juice. They are also fermented with the help of yeast to produce alcohol, which is further used for making wine. Means when wines are made from grapes, when wine is made from grapes, for that process also yeast is used, and particularly this yeast uses these two sugars, glucose and fructose, which is present in the grape juice. So these are the uses of common industrial uses of yeast.